The cell structure is a lot like a hospital. The plasma cell membrane is like the hospital room because it protects the cell from the outside the same way that a hospital room protects its patients. The nucleus is a lot like the doctor that you would find helping you in the hospital because the nucleus helps coordinate movements and deals with DNA and RNA within the cell, which is basically like the brain of the procedure, the same way the doctor is the brain behind all of the procedures that go on within a hospital. Nucleolus is a lot like the college that the doctor went to get his or her education. This is because the nucleolus actually forms the DNA and RNA that gives the nucleus all of its power, the same way that the college educated the doctor to make him as successful as he is. The endoplasmic reticulum are like the medicine cabinets that you would find in a hospital since they contain all of the proteins that can be transported throughout the cell. The rough ER is a lot like a locked medicine cabinet since it has ribosomes studded on the outside, while the smooth ER is much more open, like a wide open medicine cabinet holding the keys to all the proteins to be transported throughout the cell. The Golgi apparatus is a lot like a cart used for transporting medicine throughout a hospital, since the Golgi apparatus transports the lipids and proteins located in the endoplasmic reticulums. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell that gives the cell power to function the same way a generator does for the hospital. Chloroplasts are the organelles that aid in photosynthesis within plants. However, since it is only located in plants, it is a lot like a specialized surgeon that are only located to do specific functions in specific type of hospitals. Lysosomes remove waste within the cell the same way trash bags are used to remove waste from the hospital. Vacuoles are organelles within a cell that are filled with various types of inorganic and organic molecules such as water that help aid the cell. This is the same way that a saline bag are used to drip different medicines within a patient to help them get better. Cytoskeleton helps with movements between the organelles within the cytoplasm of the cell the same way a gurney would move patients throughout a hospital. Microtubules are like conveyor belts that physically move things within the cell, like a gurney, while microfilaments are thread-like structures that hold things together, the same way a belt would hold the patient to the gurney. Lastly, centrioles are used to help in cell division the same way forceps and other doctor tools are used to help in surgery and other procedures to fix their patients.